Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this video we take a look at the verb tun and how it is used in Austrian German. By the way, if you want to know more about a specific word or phrase in Austrian German, please let me know in the comments below. The learning goal of this video is how to use the verb tun in Austrian German. In general, the word tun means to do or sometimes to make in English. In written form, Standard German is used, but we focus on phrases that are mainly used in spoken form. Now let's take a look at the usage. Ich tue, I do. Du tust, you do. Sie es tut, he she it does. Wir tun, we do. Es tut, you do, in plural. Sie tun, they do. So much for the verb to do in Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen.